12 volt dot solutions, twin turbo Huracan. And now we just put the remote start on my car. To demonstrate how it works on. Oh, your fob's in the car? We'll have him grab the fob. Fire this thing up. So on the remote. So there's no wiring of cutting of wires or anything like that, and then you just three buttons.
Yeah. So you hit lock, 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 and then you give it roughly 10 seconds or so, and then she'll fire up.
Well, we wouldn't be here right now.
And then it locks back?
I unlocked it with the fob.
Okay.
I already unlocked it, but yeah, it will.
You like remote start on your Lambo? That's where you get it. Just reach out to Clay and tell him Lambro sent you. Later. Okay, Lambros, we're heading out of QT. Let's hammer on it. I think we just left the Quick Trip in Verdigris, and we're rolling out to breakfast. We decided we're not going to drive all the way to Langley, but oh, Frank's getting on it. Follow him. I have no idea. Who's this? Oh, oh no, this is a different one.
I don't need a ticket.
Oh my God. We're in. Frank, pull over. You better get over. This sucks. Oh my God. We just saw a guy at Quick Trip, and then.
That's the same guy. It's not the same guy?
I don't think so.
Yes, it is.
He's pulling you over?
Yeah.
Hey, Mom, Officer Morgan, Burgess, please. The reason I have to stop is exhibition of speed and unsafe lane change. You have your ID with you?
Unsafe lane change? Are you being serious? Oh, did you give him? Did you tell him? Who did that? What is it? Serious?
Oh, hello, Officer Morgan. That's awesome. So
So just a little
I was like,
you totally got set up.
yeah.
I was totally in on it.
Yeah.
Just to jack with you. So I was really hoping you'd say, like, I don't speak English. Because I was serious. I was just going to start rattling the whole traffic stop off in Spanish.
Because he speaks Spanish. So that's awesome. So we kind of set Chanel up back at the gas station and said, hey, when we pull out, Frank, get on it so she'll follow you. And she steps on it, and then we got the great Officer Morgan from Verdigris Police having fun with us and pulled her over. So no ticket for you today. She was freaking out, dude. She was like, I don't need another ticket. All right, thanks. See you, man. Have a good day. I'm going to have to edit out so much cussing from Chanel. She's such a nice lady. But when she gets mad, she's like, oh, that's hilarious. The prankster.
Yeah, yeah.
That was good. That was real good. All right, now we got to pull out and go to breakfast. We'll be back. Okay.
So I guess we're not going to Langley?
Oh, it's recording. All right, got it. Okay, so we got Chanel. Now we're heading into Egbert's here in Claremore to eat. But what do you think, Chanel? Is that a good one? I don't even know how to blur. I'm going to have to figure out how to blur that out. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn notifications. We'll see you in the next video. Later.